Today we are talking about the most important part of your travel wardrobe, which is your shoes. If you like to be out and about, you are probably gonna be on your feet all day long. So your shoes need to be comfortable and also you want them to look good, right? So I am beyond excited to show you the perfect shoes for traveling or for every day if you want to be comfortable and stylish. And of course I'm talking about VIVAIA. You probably heard of them. If you haven't heard of them, they are a sustainable shoe brand. And oh my God, I am absolutely obsessed with them. They are actually made from recycled plastic bottles. But yes, they feel amazing on your feet. They are super light and super comfortable. And also their designs are timeless and they are super stylish, as I will show you in this video. And if you don't know me yet, I am Vicky from Nonstop Travel VV. I love to travel and I love to review everything travel related. This is my first time talking about shoes, but I do think they are probably the most important part of your travel wardrobe because there's nothing worse than walking around all day long exploring, but your feet are hurting. So just watch this video and I've got you covered. This is probably the most exciting shopping haul of the entire year. The packaging is so nice. But what's inside? Oh my God, they look so good. Let's try them on. OMG, first impression, so comfortable and so light. And I mean, wow. I will definitely wear those because it is cold outside. It is still winter in Melbourne. And I mean, you might be heading into fall or autumn right now if you are in the Northern Hemisphere. So you will appreciate having those, trust me, for upcoming winter. For me, it is still winter. It is pretty horrible out there, so I will test them in the cold weather. What's the best cure for winter depression? Cute boots, of course. And I mean, also, you guys, look at the soles. All right, next. How beautiful is the packaging? OMG. They are so cute. Oh my God. And there you have it. Oh my God. How cute are they? I mean, how could you ever ask for more when you're traveling? They weigh almost nothing. They are super comfortable and they are super cute. I mean, honestly, I cannot begin to tell you how much I love them. Aren't they cute? And I mean, they go with everything. They're perfect with jeans because they have a little bit of that blue detail in there. I think I could probably walk in those for so many hours, which is what I do when I travel. So, all right, but we are not done here. We've got one more pair. And honestly, I forgot which ones I've ordered. So this is a surprise. Let's see what's in there. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. I think they will be my favorite shoes. Oh my God, you guys, first impression. First of all, they are so pretty. I mean, I absolutely love the red color. And second of all, so comfortable. Absolutely perfect for travel. And I mean, just saying, I'm wearing them without socks right now. Of course, you can wear them with socks, but they're perfectly comfortable without socks. They don't hurt here because a lot of shoes actually hurt me here. But they are so soft, so I could definitely see myself walking 10 hours all over New York in those shoes. And I mean, of course, I will not only wear them for traveling, I will wear them every day. And also for you guys, of course, I've got a discount code linked down there in the description. Do not miss out because I mean, those shoes are sustainable, comfortable, and they look good. All right, let's see what's in here. I have a feeling it's gonna be leg warmers. Oh wow, okay, so. Oh my God, you guys. So those are gonna turn my boots into long boots. Okay, let's try. All right, so this part needs to be on the bottom. So I guess we put this on first. So there you have it. So those are the removable cuffs and oh my God, so you just put them on first, then put on your boots and you completely transformed the boots. Now they are like long and very fashionable. And we've got yet another option for removable cuffs. Oh, nice and warm. Look at that nice little logo here. I love it. Oh, I love them. Maybe I like them even more. Hard to tell. I mean, especially if you're wearing a skirt, I think they would be really, really perfect because they keep your legs warm. But also with the jeans, they are really nice. I think this might be my actual favorite combination. And you know what? That is so nice and warm. This is the combination of my choice that I'm gonna wear now when I'm heading to the VIVAIA store here in Melbourne. Alrighty, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about each of those pairs. First of all, my red sneakers here are called Yancy. They come in 4 different colors. They also come in black, white and a silvery sort of gray. So yes, it was definitely a tough choice which ones to get, but yeah, no regrets. And I'm looking at the website right now. It says feather light flexibility. Absolutely yes. And I mean, they are super, super bendable and flexible. And you can wash them in the washing machine. I mean, and there are those 2 different kinds of shoelaces. So you have those really cute ones and then like those sort of normal ones. And they're actually not sneakers, they're sneakerinas. Makes sense. And you probably know Bella Hadid, she just wore them too. So if you want to be as comfortable and as stylish as Bella Hadid and me, then those are the ones you should get. Thank you, Yancy. Next up, here we have the pointed toe bow loafers. They're also called Michelle 2.0. And of course, they come in many, many different color combinations. This one is the camel mosaic. They do have a cushioned insole and of course a non-slip outsole, so really perfect in any weather or on any surface. And that sort of knitted upper material is made from recycled plastic bottles. And I mean, I absolutely love how light they are. They weigh almost nothing. Actually, they weigh 161 grams per shoe. And if that wasn't enough, you can also wash them in the washing machine. I mean, that alone is such a selling point for shoes that you use for traveling because they might get dirty, but you just wash them when you get home. And the ones that I'm wearing right now with the removable cuffs on top are called Regina Pro, and they are square toe water repellent, very important for boots, block heeled boots. So while they are not machine washable, you can just wipe them clean with a cloth. They are also super light, 390 grams per boot. And I mean, I don't think I have to tell you how elegant the design is. You can see that. And yes, they are extremely comfortable. They do have a cushioned insole and they are really easy to put on because they stretch nicely. And yes, they are water repellent. There really is only one way to find out if they are water repellent, which is going for a walk in the rain. And while the boots are water repellent, my camera is not. So let's go to the VIVAIA store now and see some more shoes. Try those,
Which?
the red ones in 38 or like the other colors maybe.
Yeah, I'll see what I have at 38.
Oh yeah, they are really nice.
They are really nice.
Okay, cool. Really comfortable.
Nice, aren't they?
I love them. Yeah, I mean, it would not have been my first choice, but
They're actually really nice.
they're really nice.
They'll be fine for spring.
Yeah. Okay, and I'm here with, what's your name?
My name's Molly.
Nice to meet you. Vicky.
Nice to meet you too.
So I just wanted to ask you, how do I actually pronounce VIVAIA or VIVAIA?
Yeah, VIVAIA.
VIVAIA. Okay, I wasn't sure. Okay.
Yeah, you got it right.
Now we know for sure.
Very easy.
Actually, in Melbourne, the VIVAIA Melbourne store is in Melbourne Central. You can't miss it. Go check it out. Not only will you see amazing shoes, but also the girls in there are super nice. And if you don't have a VIVAIA store near you, then of course they are online, and I guarantee you the shoes are true to size. I'm a 38 and the shoes fit perfectly, so no need to size up unless your feet are like really wide, then maybe, but otherwise true to size, and I guarantee you they are super comfortable. Let me know in the comments if you know VIVAIA, if you have VIVAIA shoes, if you love them as much as I do, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!